And knowingly I get to marry her today, I will forever be grateful to God and our loved ones that she's the one that I will always choose and be the one that I will always love, no matter what. Forever yours.
Come walk with me down the only road we know.
Nagsimula kaming makapag-usap ni Pao nung summer bago kami mag 4th year. So during yun ng volleyball games namin sa school. And then, ayun, during the summer, usap kami na sinusundo niya ako. Minsan nga nawalan pa siya ng phone nun. Habang sinusundo niya ako, so naghihintay ako sa, hindi ko alam kung may hinihintay ba ako. Hanggang sa June 2, birthday ng mom ko, yun, naging kami na. Doon ko siya sinagot.
And I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Lagi ko pong sinasabi sa aking kinakasal, ano ang unang iiwanan? Gianpaolo, buhay binata. Jaira, buhay dalaga. Yun ang unang tatalikuran. At anumang maaaring maging hadlang, no, sa upang maibigay ang atensyon sa asawa ay iiwanan, tatalikuran.
Han, happy birthday. Sana nagustuhan mo itong gift ko sa iyo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry sa watch na susuotin mo today dahil ito na. Binigay ko talaga sa OOTD mo. Can't wait to see you waiting for me at the altar. Alam kong may gwapong maghihintay sa akin. Bola pa. Huwag kang iyak ha. Papa, ulit ko ang bridal walk kapag may luha.
Oh, thank you! Jai, this present I give you will always serve its purpose of it coming home, either with it in me or this tag alone. Pao.
For me, knowing that I am at this point in my life, nothing can really make me happier than marrying the person that stood by my side when everything in me is at my worst.
Just like our favorite routine every night, I promise I'll always be honest, faithful, and loyal to you. Simula pa noon hanggang ngayon at sa mga susunod pang araw na ipagkakaloob sa atin ng Panginoon. Andito lang ako para sa'yo. Forever yours. I love you so much.
Gianpaolo, you may kiss Jaira now.